Hey guys, Stephen here on a snow day at Foxtrot Family Law, which brought to my mind a potential question since it is a Friday. A lot of our clients, a lot of folks in the community, co-parents, might be exchanging visitation today or exchanging custody or care and control of their child today. So that brought to my mind a question: am I going to be held in contempt if I can't get my child to the other side's place today in the middle of all this? And the short response to that is probably not. But a more thoughtful, a more thorough response might help you learn more about what contempt actually is and the difference between a violation of a court order and being held in contempt for that violation. So let's break those terms down and let's learn more about the law and be more effective as a co-parent. And maybe this knowledge will help reduce drama when people spout off, I'm going to hold you in contempt for X, Y, and Z. You can sort of gauge, not that this is legal advice for any particular situation, but help maybe bring peace of mind in certain situations where a co-parent doesn't need to be overly concerned, or a parallel parent doesn't need to be overly concerned about a per se violation. So that's where we'll start. There's two prongs to being held in contempt. There is the violation itself, the violation of the order, and then the failure to show cause. You might have even heard of a show cause hearing before in a civil or family law or child custody case. The per se violation and the failure to show cause why the violator should not be held in contempt. So today at 6 o'clock, if you let the other side know, I am not getting out on the roads, and I'm sure as hell not doing it with my child in the back seat. So, hey, I'm real sorry. We'll see what shakes out tomorrow. You have technically violated the order. If it says, we tell clients all the time, be where you're supposed to be, when you're supposed to be there. It's that simple. Well, today, it's not that simple. But yes, you are violating the strict, express, explicit terms of the order by not being at the exchange at 6 p.m. today. So that's prong one. There is a per se violation. However, in contempt cases, there has to be a failure to show cause. The court right here in the middle will say, okay, I'm going to set a show cause hearing. Violator, you have the burden because there's been a per se violation, but I'm going to give you the opportunity to come in and make your case for why you should not be held in contempt for the per se violation. And hey, again, no legal advice for anybody's particular situation unless you happen to be a client today. And if so, holler at us through our client portal. But I like your chances on being able to meet the burden of showing cause why you violated the order. So again, when it comes to contempt in child custody and visitation, there has to be a per se violation, and then there has to be the failure to show good cause why someone should not be held in contempt. So if it was sunny and 75 degrees today, and the reason you didn't deliver the child to the exchange or drop the child off or allow the other side to come pick up the child at 6 p.m., if it was, I didn't feel like it, we were having fun, I just wasn't into it this weekend, I'm keeping the kid this weekend, then you're probably going to fail to show cause and could be held in contempt for that. But in a situation like this where we have a per se violation, I did not I don't care what the order says. I'm not getting out on the roads and putting myself or my child in danger. Um, First of all, in reality, like nobody's bringing that issue. I mean, come on, for real. Who's going to pay somebody like me to bring that issue? And then I'm probably going to talk somebody out of it if they try to. But theoretically, hypothetically, I thought this was a good opportunity to help folks in our community understand that contempt is a two-pronged thing, a per se violation and a failure to show cause why the violator should not be held in contempt. Maybe that's a overly verbose, bloviating explanation of what commonsensically should seem obvious, but hey, that's what I do here as a child custody and family lawyer. And hopefully those principles help our folks understand just because you're violating an order on paper doesn't mean you can get held in contempt. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the time with the family if the kids are out of school. And hey, listen, if you were supposed to get the kid today and you don't, I'm really sorry, man. Shit happens, but yeah, pour yourself a cup of hot chocolate, cup of coffee, hang in there. Maybe the other side will give you an extra day on the back end or something. But yeah, man, we'll work it out. Y'all have fun. Be safe. Talk soon.